Kazakh has a special suffix for expressing probability or assumption, that is, the action is likely to happen in the future. For example, ол келіп қалар, she or he may come. Here the predicate келіп қалар expresses a probability that something might happen. In traditional Kazakh grammars, this form R is called Assumptive future tense, болжалды келешек. This video is dedicated to the Assumptive future tense in Kazakh. The assumption or probability is expressed by means of the markers R, ir, or r that is added to the verb, and the personal endings follow the suffixes. The rule for using R, ir, r is simple. If the verb ends in a consonant, it is followed by either R or ir, depending on whether the last syllable is front or back. Example, barar may go, kelir may come. If the verb root ends in a vowel, the form r follows. Example, söyler may speak, okur may read. The assumptive future suffix r, ir, r have very special negative forms, which are mas, mis, bas, bis, pas, and pis. The variants mas and mis follow stem final vowels and u, i, r, l. For example, ayrılmaz may not part, bilmez may not know. The forms bas and bis follow the stem final consonants m, n, ng, z, and j. Example, жазбас may not write, сезбес may not feel. The variants pas and pis occur after voiceless consonants. For example, қайтпас may not come back, кетпес may not leave. There is the conjugation of two different verbs, both positive and negative forms. Барармын, барарсың, барарсыз, барар. Барармыз, барарсыңдар, барарсыздар, барар. Бармаспын, бармассың, бармассыз, бармас. Бармаспыз, бармассыңдар, бармассыздар, бармас. Сөйлермін, сөйлерсің, сөйлерсіз, сөйлер. Сөйлерміз, сөйлерсіңдер, сөйлерсіздер, сөйлер. Сөйлемеспін, сөйлемессің, сөйлемессіз, сөйлемес. Сөйлемеспіз, сөйлемессіңдер, söylemessizdir, söylemez. Having clarified the forms of the assumptive future tense, now the question is when we should use it. The assumptive future tense is used in the following situations. First and foremost, the predicates based on the forms r, ir, r indicates a prospective possibility or likelihood. This means that the speaker assumes that something may happen in the future. For instance, сәл тоса тұрайық, ол бәлкім келіп қалар. We should wait a little. Probably she might come. Мұның жауабын сіз беретін шығарсыз. You might answer for this question. Келер айда ауылға қайтармыз. We might go back to our hometown next month. Асқардан сұрап көр, шешімін сол білер. Ask Asqar, he might know the answer. Сенше мұғалім бізге рұқсат берер ме? Do you think the teacher probably give permission? Сені кейін іздеп барармыз. We may visit you later. Secondly, the negation of the assumptive future can indicate speaker's determination not to perform an action. Simply put, it expresses speaker's best estimation of the probability of an event. In this case, it can be interpreted as something that won't happen. Example, ол жерге енді бармаспыз. We won't go that place anymore. Söyleyivер, oyanıp ketpes. Keep talking. She won't wake up. Seni endi ko'zim ko'rmas. I won't see you anymore. Vaqt qayta aylanib kelmas. The time won't be repeated. Biz uyga jetgancha jang javob ketpes. Maybe it won't rain until we get home. Thirdly, in proverbs and sayings, the forms are, r denotes a habit, a characteristic of the person referred to. For example, жақсы көргенін айтар, жаман жегенін айтар. A good person talks about what he has seen, and a bad person talks about what he has eaten. In this video, we have learned the assumptive future tense, its forms and usage. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.